Today I have one of my newest listings here in Lower Lonsdale, right by the Shipyards. Welcome to your dream townhome here at the Met, located in Lower Lonsdale of North Vancouver, one of the best areas to live in Greater Vancouver. This is a 3-bedroom that's been converted into a 2-bedroom townhome that's been completely renovated from head to toe. That's impeccably West Coast living. You've also got 3 bathrooms, this beautiful patio that's perfect for barbecue and entertaining, and I can't wait to give you a tour. Welcome home. As you enter, you're greeted by this dining room. You have this beautiful accent wall with a gas fireplace. I absolutely love the beautiful tiles around there. This opens up here into your living room. This is your living room, family room, and is perfect for entertaining. And now as we move into the kitchen, the heart of the home, you have this beautiful waterfall island, and you have a Bosch appliance package. You have a stove, you've got the oven with a hood range, and of course, dishwasher and the double door fridge. And here is the backsplash. I absolutely love the silver backsplash. You've got the white gloss countertop, undermount sink. Imagine cooking here for your friends and family. The large primary bedroom is a luxurious retreat with a walk-through closet leading to a spa-like ensuite featuring double sinks and a large standing shower. For added convenience, the washer and dryer are located upstairs. I'm standing here in the Shipyard Pier. This is your backyard. You have everything you need all around you, including tons of restaurants like Joey's. You've got tons of patios. Imagine coming here for oysters during the summertime. Every day is a patio day. Plus, you've got the Seabus to take you downtown. Everything is all around you. If you want to take a look at this amazing property, feel free to contact me. My name is Denise Mai, and we're more than happy to set up a private view with you.